Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making dressings. I made a peanut sauce dressing and an Italian dressing for different projects within the last few weeks. And I can't tell you how we loved the freshness of the homemade dressings versus what you buy out of the store. Plus, the ingredients used are things in our pantry and in our cupboards. So it's a lot cheaper too. So we're going to be using our mason jars. We're going to be making a salad, and we're going to be making two dressings. A peanut sauce dressing and an Italian dressing. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start off with our peanut sauce dressing. So the salad I am making to go with this dressing is the Oriental chicken salad. All right, so we have our creamy peanut butter and our soy sauce. We have white wine vinegar. And you can either use maple syrup or honey. I'm choosing to use maple syrup. Last time I did the honey, so I want to see what it tastes like. We have lime sauce or lime juice. Sorry, that isn't a sauce. This is a sesame oil. We have some minced garlic. Some Sriracha. Now you can either use a Sriracha or a chili, a sweet chili sauce. I have both, but for some reason I just grabbed the Sriracha. And this is grated fresh ginger. Folks, this is really good. We discovered that peanut butter goes really well with celery. And so we tried it with the peanut dressing. And it works. Is so good. Okay, so this sauce or this dressing, oh, you can taste the heat of the Sriracha, just a little bit at the end, but it's peanutty. It's got the flavors of the rice vinegar, sesame oil, all rolled into one. You're gonna love it. Okay, so let's move on to our Italian dressing. Actually, we're going to put this in a jar. And we can store this in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So, oh. Boy, I made 2 batches. And that filled a jar. Okay, here is our peanut sauce dressing. For this next recipe, the Italian dressing, we just put it in a jar and shake it. So, we'll add our olive oil, our extra virgin olive oil, and I am doing 2 batches, so that was a cup. White wine vinegar, tablespoon of mayonnaise, but there's 2 tablespoons because I'm making 2 batches. Some sugar. Sorry, I ran out of containers for my herbs. I have salt and pepper, parsley, basil, and oregano. And we have minced garlic. And Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Then we'll just put our lid on it, and all it tells us to do is to put your lid on really good and shake it. So I have made this and it was delicious. Oh, we still have mayonnaise. Oh, that's not mayonnaise. That's Parmesan cheese. And it also tells us to let this sit in the refrigerator and marinate. Now I say fridge a lot because it's my culture. That's how my people talk. We're from the country, and so that's how it is. I really mean refrigerator when I say fridge. Okay, so here is our Italian seasoning dressing. Okay, so we've made our 2 dressings. Now we have our salad to make. So we'll do that, and then we'll be ready for dinner. Well, folks, we need to try our homemade Italian dressing. I'm just going to lick the spoon. Whoa. Whoa, that's quite the flavor. Definitely Italian. So this Sunday, we're having company. And this dressing will go perfect with our spaghetti and our salad and French bread. So We can store this in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So I'm not sure about the peanut sauce dressing, but it doesn't stay around long enough to even worry about it. So, but I do know that Sunday we are having a spaghetti dinner for company, our children, and so it's going to be a happy day. And we have a homemade dressing, Italian dressing, to go with our spaghetti dinner. So that was a lot of fun to make. Eventually I want to make more dressings. I really like having homemade food. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for supporting our channel. And thank you for hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and subscribing. It's done wonders the last few weeks, and I can't say how much I appreciate your support. Well, folks, if there's ever anything that you want me to try, just leave a comment in the comments section, and I'll do my best to accommodate you. So, you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.